now. Let's go through my trash. I've collected some trash over the past, I want to say like, oh no, everything's falling. Ice machine, I'm filming, thank you. I have been collecting some empties, not some, all of my empties, and we're gonna do a little empties tour, and we're gonna talk about all the products that I finished in the past. I'm gonna call this my February empties, but really I started this in January, so it's like January and February empties. We're gonna talk about all of them and whether I think that the product is worth it, if I repurchased it, if I plan on repurchasing it, all the things. Also, I think that maybe these glasses are not gonna work because they're like the glare. When I sit at my desk, I feel as though I need to wear my glasses because it's like serious mode, you know? I'm turning on another light. Oh, that's so much better. Let's put some lip gloss on. Why do my lips look non-existent? We got quite a bit, so let's jump right in. Let's see, let's just start with the first thing I see. Number one, there's hair. No, that's so gross. Okay, when I tell you this stuff has been sitting like by my desk for literally 2 months. First and foremost, we have some micellar water. This one's really boring. The Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. This is the vitamin C one. This was great. I bought another one. I just bought a big one of the original. This one is really boring. It's micellar water. It's not that big deal, but shit was used. What I like to use with, how I like to use this is I like to take a little cleanser. I think I have, is it in here? Yes, okay. First, okay, well, okay. This is the Rhode Pineapple Cleanser. This like removes makeup. Guys, I use this down. This is my second one. And yes, I repurchased it. This is my favorite cleanser for removing makeup. What I'll do is I'll cleanse with this. Then I'll dry my face, go in with micellar water, get like, I feel like I will always have remnants of my makeup like in my hairline or my jaw or like around my eyes that I didn't quite get with this. So I go in with micellar water and a cotton pad and I just get it all there. And then I'll go in with a face wash, my favorite, which we have another empty of. Crazy. This is the La Roche-Posay Gentle Foaming Moisturizing Wash. La Roche-Posay, you cannot go wrong. This is my favorite face wash because it is so gentle and I have very sensitive skin, and it really, every single time, it really feels like it's cleansing my skin. It's a moisturizing wash, which I love because we know I've got dry skin. So these three are like my key to having a clean face. And I use them all, and I repurchased them all because they're my favorites. That's why they're empty. We've got 3 Lemmy gummies that I completely devoured and finished, so let's go through them. First is the Lemmy Deep Glow. I want to be on this, get on the trend. I want to be on the bandwagon. I really truly do. Everyone says this really helps with their bloating, and I have horrendous bloating. I'll drink a sip of water and I'll bloat up like a balloon, but I keep repurchasing them thinking that one day I will notice a difference, and maybe if I stop taking them I'll notice the difference, but as of right now I don't really notice the difference. I haven't rebought these yet because they all got so expensive, and I'm kind of just wondering if they are doing anything. But yeah, I didn't eat them. But my favorite, I talked about the Lemmy Glow in my January favorite, hair, skin, nails gummies. I seriously think this has made a big difference in my hair, in my skin, in my nails. Ever since I've been taking these every single day consistently, I really see like I've seen a difference, and I think it's a lot of different things for sure, but I do believe this is a contributor. My favorite Lemmy gummy of all time is the Lemmy Sleep. I have gone through so many Lemmy Sleeps. I love Lemmy Sleep. I have a really difficult time sleeping. It's hard for me to fall asleep. It's hard for me to stay asleep. But when I take a Lemmy Sleep, it knocks me straight out. I try not to take it every single night because I don't feel like maybe that's a good idea. But I do take these a lot because they actually like seriously put me to sleep. Some people I know take them and it's like too much, but for your girlie over here who cannot sleep because her mind runs like it's in a race, these really help to just knock me out. Yes, these two have already been repurchased. This one I'm not sure if I want to do that yet. Next, let's stay in the skincare category. This is the Inky List Ectoin Hydro Barrier Ecton? I don't know. Hydro Barrier Serum. Hi, this is amazing. Hi, I've gone through already 3 of these, but I have repurchased this already, and I will continue to repurchase this because it is the best thing in the world. It helps your skin so much. But I love this because I feel like so many hydrating products tend to just kind of sit on my skin and just kind of like sit there, and it's like greasy, and it's not seeping into my skin where I'm dry and like really hydrating those dry patches. This does that. It sinks into my skin. It does not sit on top of my skin. It sinks. Okay, why does my freaking finger itch so bad? It really hydrates my skin, and I see such a difference after using this consistently for like a month. My skin is so much more hydrated. I used to peel all around my nose and on my chin, and it was like cracking all the time. And mind you, I am not on any acne medication, or I don't use tretinoin. I am just a normal person living around the house, and I used to have the most dry skin ever. I love her. Speaking of hydrating, the Road Glazing Milk. You guys knew this was gonna be in here, didn't you? Road Glazing Milk. I've gone through, I don't even know how many of these. This is my favorite hydrating milky toner. I would say that there are so many great ones out there, but I love this one because it is skincare based. But I really would say that this is worth it, and it's worth the hype. It's worth all the everything it gets. It's that amazing. I use it morning and night and as skin prep before my makeup, and it leaves a glowy, beautiful base on the skin. It hydrates, it seeps into your skin. It leaves like a dewy, hydrated finish. It feels like cooling almost on the skin. There are so many things I just love. And the thing is that like you can't understand it until you try it. You can't understand the hype around it until you try it, and then you're like, oh. Okay. Hi, I found a second Let Me Glow. Yeah, I really like this stuff. Mighty Patches, the only pimple patch I will use. I don't think any other ones work. Not as well as these do. These will absolutely get rid of the pimple in like 2 days. If you have anything, if you have a tiny little whitehead, it will suck everything out of it and your pimple will be gone. This is like my key to getting rid of any sort of pimples. If you need a pimple patch, get these. I've gone through so many of these for years. Like I'm always repurchasing these. They're always just my go-to if I need a pimple patch. She's the bitch. What? Oh, skincare. Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Guys, look at this. I want to show you guys how wiped. Ew, it's really gross right now. There's hair everywhere and I don't know why. I love Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. I feel like I always forget about the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I feel like I always forget about this, and then I always come back to it because it is just that good. It is pricey. It's expensive. I get that. I understand that. But in my opinion, I think it's worth it. It's super hydrating. It leaves such a beautiful glow on the skin. It's not too heavy because I feel like sometimes like moisturizers are like super thick and then they feel like greasy and gross, or they can clog your pores. This does not do that. It's light enough that you're not putting on like a face mask, but it's hydrating enough that it's like, it's not like, what is this even doing anything? Does that make sense? I am going to repurchase that one. Indeed. I found another Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. Maybe I've been collecting this longer than I thought I have, because how have I gone through 2 of these? Wait, what? I think these are just replicating in here, because guess what I also found? Another one of the Inky List serums. I'm confused. Okay, there's also a cat toy in here. Oh my gosh! I found another Let Me Sleep. And something wet? Ew. I actually think these are duplicating in here because I'm confused why there's so many. Or maybe I've just been collecting stuff for longer than I thought I have been. So I guess this is a like also my tried and true products. Like the Tatcha Skin Cream, the Inky List Serum, Let Me Sleep, Let Me Glow. I'm surprised I don't have another one of these in here. Ooh, this is such a good empty. This is one of the best finds I think I've ever found. I get so many questions about how I stay tan. And my secret is a tanning drop in my lotion. This is the Tan Luxe The Body Illuminating Self Tan Drops. I mix this into my lotion after I shower, every single time after I shower. It creates the most gradual, natural looking tan. Like you don't look orange, you don't look like you're hello, you don't look crazy, it's not streaky, it just is always so blended, and you're putting on lotion, it's hydrating your skin. I did just recently repurchase this because I do love it that much. Okay, now I think we're speaking of the body, this is the lotion that I love. This is the Josie Marie, the original whipped argan oil body butter. This is the vanilla flavor. It smells like vanilla cupcakes and I love it. I'm a vanilla girl till the day I die. This I have used. I actually do have a refill for this, so I'm going to, should we refill it right now? Hold on, let me go get, let me go get the refilling thing. Gotta. She comes in like this cutie pot. Love. I'm wondering if I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna try. I feel like this is so satisfying. Ooh, you guys see that? Oh, it's like literally so yummy. She's refilled. I love this lotion. This is another product I talked about in my January favorites, and I talked about how I hate lotions that you'll put on and then it feels like you're dirty again. Like, I feel as though maybe I'm just really sensitive and very weird, but most lotions do make me feel like once I put them on I feel dirty again, even though I just got all squeaky clean in the shower. But this doesn't do that. No ma'am. Keeps my skin so hydrated too, because I don't just have dry skin on my face, it's all over my body. So this is really helpful. And I've noticed that this really helps maintain a good tan. Like, it doesn't, like your tan doesn't get like cracked or like splotchy with that. So there you have it. Oh my gosh, I know it changes so Okay, now we have some hair products. We're gonna start with 2 hair masks. These are the Briogeo, I think that's how you say it. Don't despair, repair masks. This is a tried and true for your girl Tilly. I have been using these for so long. It's one of my favorite hair masks ever, especially for damaged hair. If you bleach your hair and your hair is damaged, this is really great. Like, that's literally what it's made for. Don't despair, repair. It's literally what it's supposed to do, is repair your skin. No, hair. This is the birthday cake edition they came out with. I think this was limited edition, if I'm not mistaken. And then this is just like a little mini one that I used in the shower. But I love these. I will always be repurchasing that. Who said that? We'll always be repurchasing these. These are my favorite. Speaking of hair masks, I actually have 3 of the Comeback Kid Instant Repair. I've got 2 full size and 1 mini. I love this stuff. This is from Fenty Hair. I think this might be my favorite hair mask I've ever tried. But I like to specifically use these instead of conditioner. And so I'll shampoo my hair, obviously. And then instead of using conditioner, I'll use this hair mask. And I have seen the biggest difference in my hair. First of all, I feel like you guys have noticed too, like my hair is getting pretty long. It doesn't look that long right now because it's really curled, but it's getting long. And not only is it getting long, it's so healthy. Like, and it looks like so shiny and bouncy and healthy. This has been a big contributor. I won't lie. I really do love this. And yes, I already repurchased it. I also have, oh my gosh, there's so much hair everywhere. I have this Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Bond Builder Leave-In Mask. This was pretty good. I won't lie. They sent this to me. It was pretty good. I have nothing bad to say. It didn't impress me so much that I'm like, need to go buy repurchase. No, but it was pretty good. Didn't make my hair really shiny and very healthy and very hydrated. So yeah, next for hair, we have a lot of hair care and not a lot of makeup, which is surprising. Anyway, I talked about this again in my January favorite. This is the Amika Big Hit Volumizing Shampoo. I love this stuff. I always notice a difference in my hair when I use this versus when I don't, and I always see more volume when I use this. I don't know how that's possible, how a shampoo can do that, but even after I rinse it out, my hair feels fuller. I don't know if it's like coating my hair follicles with something, or I have no idea the science behind this, but I really do see a difference. So if you struggle with having volume in your hair, try this shampoo. I don't really see much of a difference with the conditioner. I would suggest mainly the shampoo. If you're gonna go buy something, go buy this and this as your conditioner. Yes, I love this. I did repurchase this because it is that good. 2 more hair products. This is another Briogeo product. Oh my gosh, why is there so many hair? So many hair. Okay, this is the Scalp Revival Rosemary Pre-Wash Oil. I love oiling my scalp, but I'm very like picky about it, if I'm being honest. I don't really know why. I just am very picky about it for some reason, and I love this little applicator. Okay, there's usually like a little cap on it, but I'll be honest, I lose a cap to a lot of things all the time. You take it and you just like while pressing. I'm not gonna do it because there's still like oil residue on the top and I don't want to oil my clean hair, but it's like and it just evenly distributes it all. Oiling my scalp has been a really big helper with growing my hair out and keeping it healthy. I don't really know the science behind it, but it really helps, and I really love this stuff. Okay, last hair product on the agenda. I've talked about this before, I think. This is the Kristen S Ultra Fine Workable Hairspray. It's my favorite hairspray. I repurchased like this 4 times. I literally have my other bottle right here. I love how fine this is. It is so fine, so it doesn't feel like your hair doesn't get like crunchy. You know when you spray your hair with hairspray and it's like crunchy? Yeah, terrible. I hate it. This doesn't do that. It does really keep your hair in place. Like my hair looks like it looks when I first curled it this morning, and it's because I used her. He's very good. It's at Target. You can literally go to Target and get this for like, I don't even know, like $10. Okay, and last but certainly not least, we have 2 makeup products. 2 very near and dear to my heart products. First of all, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder. I use this every day. I've been using this every day since I was a senior in high school, and most of them turn out looking like this. Binky, what are you doing? Did you eat another flower? I got a bouquet of flowers. Bitch keeps eating them. Right. Ugh. Okay, anyway, it's my favorite powder. I always come back to this powder. I will try other ones, and I always come back to this powder. It's my absolute favorite. It leaves such a beautiful finish on the skin. It sets your makeup in place all day. It doesn't get cakey or flaky or gross or stupid. It's so good, and I have repurchased so many. Literally always go back to this bitch. And last but certainly not least is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray. Again, another product I have lost the count to. This is my favorite setting spray. I love it. I love it. I really think that it is one of the best setting sprays I've ever used, where your makeup will last all day long if you use this. It like sticks your makeup to your face. I mean, that makes sense because it's Hydro Grip set. You know what I'm saying? And it also leaves the most beautiful dewy skin like finish on the face without being like greasy, because I have tried setting sprays before that are like dewy finish, but really they just make my face look greasy and gross. So she does not do that, and she really does make your makeup in place. It really does set your makeup in place, and I love her. I have repurchased her. I do use her every single day. He's my favorite. If I have to, you know, wear my makeup for a long time, I will drench my face in this and then use a blow dryer and like dry my face. That makeup's not going anywhere. Anywhoosie, what's it? That concludes today's video of all of my empty products, of going through my trash, going through my little garbage, my little recycling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of going through all my favorite products. If I've finished a product, I will admit I try a lot of products, and so if I stick with one and finish it, that means I really do love it. That's how you know you should buy it too, because if Tilly's finishing it, if Tilly loves it, you gotta love it too. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.